Today, we're diving deep into Apple's latest marvel, the M4 iPad Pro, and comparing it with the previous M2 iPad Pro models. The new M4 iPad Pro is packed with impressive upgrades. We'll explore everything from display enhancements and design tweaks to performance boosts and overall value. One of the standout features of the M4 iPad Pro is its stunning new OLED display. Apple has integrated dual OLED panels, significantly brightening and enhancing color vibrancy compared to the previous models. For those upgrading from the 11-inch LCD model, the difference is striking. The new OLED screen offers up to 16 nits of brightness, a huge leap from the 600 nits on the older LCD, delivering more vivid colors and deeper blacks. This enhancement transforms everything from web browsing to video watching into a visually rich experience. The new 11-inch M4 iPad Pro feels noticeably thinner and slightly taller, suggesting a more landscape-oriented design. The 13-inch model has also seen significant reductions in thickness and weight, making it more portable and comfortable to hold. The introduction of a new space black color option gives it a sleek, modern look, reminiscent of the MacBook Pro. The Magic Keyboard has received substantial upgrades. It now features a metal palm rest, providing a typing experience more akin to a MacBook. The trackpad is slightly taller and includes haptic feedback, which is a nice touch. Additionally, the new function row of keys is a welcome improvement, offering more functionality. However, the overall weight distribution remains top-heavy, which might be uncomfortable for lap use. The new Apple Pencil Pro boasts several upgrades, including haptic feedback that enhances the drawing and writing experience. It's exclusive to the M4 iPad Pro and the new M2 iPad Air, making it a must-have for artists and designers. Features like the barrel roll and enhanced pressure sensitivity make it a powerful tool for creative work. Performance is another area where the M4 iPad Pro excels. The new M4 chip significantly outperforms the M2 in both single-core and multi-core tasks. This makes the M4 iPad Pro ideal for demanding applications like video editing, gaming, and augmented reality. In our tests, the 11-inch M4 iPad Pro scored much higher than the 12.9-inch M2 model and even outperformed the M3 MacBook Air in some scenarios. In outdoor conditions, the new OLED display on the M4 iPad Pro is much more visible and easier to watch than the old LCD and mini LED displays. This makes it a great choice for users who need to work outside. Additionally, the new nano texture coating option reduces glare and adds a matte finish, enhancing usability in bright environments. In conclusion, the M4 iPad Pro significantly upgrades display quality, performance, and usability for artists, designers, and professionals. The new features of the Apple Pencil and the Magic Keyboard alone might justify the upgrade. The enhanced performance and display quality make it a powerful tool for creative and professional work. While the price is steep, the improvements are substantial, making the M4 iPad Pro a worthy investment for those seeking the best iPad experience. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews and comparisons.